Okay, I've got a bit of an update to my gasket here for the Wyze cordless vacuum. So this is my original design, and it's been working great, but I have gotten a few people that haven't had it sealing properly, and I think that's due to these grooves. They have to be lined up properly to the grooves inside, and so I decided to redesign it slightly just to simplify the installation process. And so what I came up with is basically just making it thin enough that the grooves don't matter. So how this works, it doesn't work like the original Wyze gasket anyways. The material that I'm using is TPU, and it's more rigid than the original gasket. So I had to change how it worked as opposed to the material. I can't print material that soft on the 3D printer. So how the gasket works is it's actually this flange and the inside right here that does the sealing. So it fitting inside this groove does not matter. So how to install it, basically just put it on there and then you just kind of work around like that, because it's actually smaller diameter than this ring here. So now it's pretty tight on this ring, and then this flange is very flexible. And so what happens is when it closes, it goes up inside and flexes down. So it gets a really good seal. Like I said, this one's been working just fine. It's the same principle, but I made it taller and the flange bigger, so it really gets up in there. And yeah, so hopefully that makes a lot of sense. And if you do have questions or concerns, if you bought one from me or something, just message me. I'll fix it. I'm not trying to, just sell a bunch of crap that people can't use. I'm making sure that, my stuff works. And if it doesn't work, then message me. I'll work through the problems. So if anybody was having issues with, somebody said that it was kind of whistling when they put it in, and I think that it just wasn't seated in there properly. But if that's something that's a problem, message me. And even if you can get it working on your own, I still want to know to make it so that the process is easier for everybody that comes after you. So anyways, let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully I'll have something else soon.